We are going with it. Earth's internal structure and landscape. As we have completed the unit in last period, we are going with exercise. Question 1A. You also know we do not have book available in the market as well as soft copy online. This is translated from Gujarati medium book because both books are same. First question is make the following. Here you can see the correct answer. Now I told Gurnani Kunz to read.
What
Gurnani
you
Kunz.
said?
Yes.
First one, the higher level of Earth's surface. Say, second one, the converted rock, marble. Third one, function of the river, plain. Function of the wind, sandstone. The erosive form of glacier,
Spherical.
spherical.
Yes. Higher level of the earth's surface. That is called Cl. C from silica, L from alumina. By these two materials or minerals, this layer is developed. And so it is called Cl. Second one, converted rock. There are so many, marble, granite, etc. But here in option marble is given. So we have written marble. Third one, function of the river. What is the river function? The river creates flood plains. Next one, function of wind. Here you can write two answers, two options, but here one option is given, so I written sandstone. Otherwise, you can also write loess, 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 loess. Fifth
So,
one,
what is the meaning of this?
sandstone. આપણે જે રેતીના ઢગલા હોય ને
No, lowest.
both are same. Both are same.
Okay.
ઢગલા હોય ને રેતીના રણ પ્રદેશમાં એ લોએસ. Next one, erosive form of glacier. Glacier's erosive form. That is spherical. That is called spherical. I hope every one of you have taken screenshot. Now I am going to change the slide. Next, there are 5 blanks. One by one student will read one blank. Then I will present answer. If you remember, speak answer. Otherwise, read only blanks. I will present the answer. After Kunj, Bhimjiani Niva. First blank.
Yes.
The innermost layer of the earth is known as blanks.
Can you answer? Innermost layer. As we have discussed, that is called core. Innermost layer. There are 4 layers as we have discussed in the beginning of the unit. Outer layer, inner layer, crust. Second blank, Rupdas Reyansi.
Yes, sir. Dash
Second
stone is used.
Yes,
Dash stone is used to grind grains.
Very good. Which stone is used for grinding or grinding? Granite. It is the hardest one, and so that granite is used to grind grain. Very good. Third one, Lalwani Sachin Bhai. Yes, Lalwani Sachin.
Yes,
Continue third blank.
the place where the vibration starts below the ground is called.
Yes. What is that? Here vibration means this vibration brought earthquake. And the place where it starts, that is called epicenter. It is called epicenter of an earthquake. The vibration starts a place is called epicenter. Very good. Next one is Gokari Maria.
Yes. The earthenware formed by the erosion of the sea waves is known as dam.
Yes, can you answer? Yes, the earthenware formed by the erosion of the sea waves is known as sea cave. Samudri Gufa. Fifth one, Bhimjai Niva is repeated. Jani Prasant.
Yes.
Continue beta fifth blank.
Okay. Soil particles scattering on the ground as wind speed decreases is called blank.
Yes, I have just spoken in make the following. You can write sandstone or loess. That is the spelling. When you write make the following, write this spelling in bracket. So that in exam, sandstone or loess, whatever is given, you can write answer. Clear? Now you can take screenshot. I will wait for about 5 to 10 seconds.
Sir,
બોલો.
question 1A દેખાડો ને.
હવે ન દેખાડે. What I said, don't disturb in between. Yes, question 2. Answer in one sentence. Question 2 is answer in one sentence. Yes, question 1 with answer. Then Barsani myth. Question 1 with answer. Read.
Number 1. Of which layers is the shale layer mainly composed? Shale layer is mainly composed of silica and alumina.
Yes, Sial, not shale. Sial layer. Yes, it is question 2. Answer in one sentence. First one. Of which layer is the Sial layer mainly composed? Sial layer. C for silica, L for alumina. The Sial layer is composed of silica and alumina. Very good. After that, Jagar Dipesh.
yes sir.
Question 2 with answer.
Number 2. Mention 3 types of rock. Answer. Rock are divided into 3 types. They are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock.
Very good. Here you need to describe types of rock. Major types of rock. Here 3 major types are there. First one, igneous. Second one, sedimentary. And third one, metamorphic. Means in this answer, you need to remember 3 names. Mention the 3 types of rock. You can also write 3 types of rocks are, then 1, igneous rock, 2, sedimentary rock, 3, metamorphic rock. Anyway, you can write, but you need to describe these 3 names. Very good. You can take screenshot. Now we are moving towards next question. Question number 3. What is meant by internal igneous rock? The answer will be read by Ganatra Nistha. Yes, Ganatra Nistha.
Diameter of igneous rock is liquid ash sometimes goes deep into the Crust. Solid rocks formed in this way are called internal igneous rock.
Yes, igneous rock we have discussed. But what is internal igneous rock? In liquid phase, as we know, at the top mountain is in solid form. But when we go inside, the form is decreasing or changing from solid to liquid and then gaseous form. So liquid phase goes deep into earth crust, and here it forms rock, which is called internal igneous rock. As it is from igneous kind of rock, so it is called internal igneous rock. Very good. Fourth question: what is endogenic force? Endogenic means internal. Keep in mind, endogenic means internal. What is internal force? The question may be what is internal force or what is endogenic force. Answer will be read by, yes, Jaiswal Vaishnavi, your turn has come. Yes, Vaishnavi, your turn has come. Okay, read.
Subrata. The force in the interior of the earth is called endogenic.
Yes, first of all, you need to read question, but no doubt, leave it. What is endogenic force? Again, repeat, endogenic means internal. What is internal force or what is endogenic force? The force in the interior of the earth is called endogenic or internal force. By the name, we can imagine answer. Endogenic or internal means inside. Thus, the answer is the force in the interior of the earth is called endogenic force or internal force. Yes, sorry. Yes, you can take screenshot. Last question of answer in one sentence. It will read by Purushwani Kresa.
Yes, sir.
Question and answer. Listen, on every page you can see header question 2, answer in one sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you will not have any difficulty or confusion while you are writing. Yes, read.
What is a waterfall? When a river answer when a river falls from a solid rock into a steep valley or lowland, it is called a waterfall.
Waterfall. Every one of us likes it. Likes to bath there. Many of us has visited. If we talk about nearby, it is in Jamwara, Sanjir Dod, in Gir forest. Now, what is waterfall? When river falls, river is flowing as we know. On its way, there are so many valleys. So, from the rock to valley or lowland area, at that time, whatever the area or location is there, that is called waterfall. Means water is falling from higher area, rock from lower area, means valley or lowland. That is called waterfall. Very good. You can take screenshot. Question 2 is over. Answer in one sentence. Then we will move towards question 3. Short note. Total number of questions are 4. Question 3 short note. There are 3 short note. And question 4. Answer the following question. They are brief questions. Here 3 questions are there. First of all, we are moving towards question 3. Short note. Now the turn is Bhuva Chauhan. Listen,
Yes,
first
sir.
short note is divided into 2 pages. On every slide, I have written
Yes.
page 1 and page 2. So write page 1
Yes,
first,
sir.
then page 2. Okay? Yes, Chauhan, continue.
Ciel and Sima. Answer. The interior of the earth is made up of several layers arranged on one on top of the other like an onion. The upper layer of the earth's surface is called earth crust. It is the thinnest layer.
Continue. I am going to present second page. Yes, you can start.
Page 2. Answer. The surface of the continent is mainly composed of silica and aluminum. Hence, it is called shear. C for silica and Al for aluminum. The ocean shield is composed mainly of silica and magnesium. Hence it is called Sima. Silica and
Magnesium.
magnesium.
Yes, short note is over. Now we are going to discuss them. Ciel and Sima. Here you can also mention two answers. What is Ciel? What is Ciel? Or what do you mean by Ciel or Sima? At that time, one page is Ciel, another page, both page are for same. First page you need to write for both. And second page, define both the page. First of all, first page is we are going to discuss the interior of the earth. As we know, it is made up of several layers like an onion. From the top, we can take different layers. When we open the onion, we have seen many layers. Similarly, interior of the earth has this kind of layer. Upper layer of the earth surface. Upper layer where we are, it is called earth crust. This earth crust is the thinnest layer. As we know, it is only 35 kilometers long. 35 kilometers is long distance for us, but when we compare with the earth, at that time it is lowest or minimum in all crust or all the layer of earth. The surface of the continent is mainly composed. Continent means where we are. It is mainly composed of silica and aluminum, and that is why we call it Ciel. In Ciel, C for silica and Al for aluminum. Next one is the ocean shield. Ocean shield is composed mainly of silica and magnesium. Ciel for silica and aluminum. Landform and ocean shield, silica and magnesium. It is called Sima. C for silica and Ma for magnesium. This way, short note is over. Now you can take screenshot of the first slide when I will give you time for screenshot for second slide. First slide is on your screen. Here I have written page 1. Next slide, you can see page 2. For the same, because answer is larger. It is a short note. Now I am moving to our second page. When it present, take screenshot. Or when someone is reading at that time, you can also take screenshot. It is easier. Next short note is we are going with next one. Function of the wind. It is also in 2 page. But as it is 9:50, so we have to stop the meeting.